They're revving the jet ski to get ready to go. Right now we're flashing it out, whatever the inside. Yeah, we're going. Okay. Alright people. Wait, whether we see all your face. Yeah, get your stuff and get up. And I need my bag. And we gotta get ready. Come on, up.
I think you should switch from computer technician, you said?
No. She want to be
A graphic designer. A graphic designer. This is Ryan, a cousin. And this is Ryan, a cousin.
Oh, she waved.
Auntie Zero. Auntie Zero going on the jet ski?
Oh no.
Why?
Z?
I'm in there with you. Auntie Chimney, what about you?
Sure. I'm on for it.
Okay. Mommy?
Yeah, I going on.
Where if you ask me to be on the camera and I'm not going to be on the jet ski. Yeah, we getting ready. Yeah, we getting ready.